I'll update you later. Cheers!
I believe. Please join me in that journey. Possible begins with you. Thank you very much.
So reflecting on this morning's general session, the session was hosted by Pat Gelsinger, the CEO of VMware, and Pat started by talking about the consistent VMware vision of any application on any device and within any cloud with intrinsic security. So Pat was discussing how, as an industry, we need to stop chasing bad and we need to ensure good. Many businesses nowadays have a security issue and they go out and find a security vendor to fix that issue at that time. And it's almost like sticking a sticky plaster over it and saving that problem for another day. Whereas what we need to do is we need to ensure that the application is doing what it needs to be doing proactively so that we don't have to keep reacting to the issues that we're facing. Pat also discussed vSphere Platinum, which was announced in the US VMworld in August, and how with App Defense and vSphere we have that intrinsic security already built in rather than having vSphere and then many layers of security on top of that. Pat also discussed adaptive microsegmentation with App Defense and NSX, how the network security can adapt to the application at any given time. The rest of the presentation focused on SDDC, EUC in particular with Workspace ONE, and it was actually great to see lots of demos on stage, so they were putting what they were saying into practice and showing us how that all worked rather than it just being a presentation. So I'm really looking forward to the rest of the day. I'm going to try and do some hands-on labs. We've got the EUC keynote session with Sean Bass, and I've got some other breakout sessions, so keep on watching to find out what I've done today. Ever. So the first one I did was getting started with Workspace ONE, really just sort of the basics of getting Workspace ONE up and running and looking at how Workspace ONE works with the applications, what you can allow your users to access and what you can't, etc. I really enjoyed it, so then I decided to sit another one, which I did Workspace ONE Advanced. So I did the first module of that, which is integrating Workspace ONE with Windows 10. So I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to doing some more, probably when I get back to the office because I've got a really busy day tomorrow, but really enjoy it, and I suggest if anyone else wants to have a look, then head over to Hands-On Labs for VMware. Keynote here at VMworld, and it was really interesting to hear the likes of Sean Bass on stage talking about your users, how they're using their devices and where they're using them. And he actually said that your users have on average 2.6 devices each, and that's ever increasing. I can relate to this because I bought 3 devices out here to VMworld. 2 of them probably do the same sort of thing, but I bought them anyway. And he also said that up to 50% of your users are accessing data outside of the company network. So with obviously legacy tools that they used to use, this would have been unsecure because we couldn't catch them whilst they're off the network. But with modern management and Workspace ONE, we can now do that whilst they're off the company network, so they can access their data at any time, which is really what users want. They want to be able to access their data on any device, anywhere, and literally all the time. So I'm really looking forward to hearing more tomorrow, and thanks for watching.